What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at the all-new 16-inch MacBook Pro 2019 edition. Let's jump right into it and let's see what it's all about.
Some of the old songs.
So guys, here it is right here, everything finally in hand. This is the all-new 16-inch MacBook Pro, and I have to say that I have rather been enjoying this computer. Now, a lot of people complained a lot about the keyboard. We'll talk about that. We're going to talk about that new physical escape key because it really matters. And we're going to talk about the new physical touch button right here. But first off, for all of my tech enthusiasts and people who like to hear numbers called out, let's talk about the specs on this computer. So the new 16-inch MacBook Pro comes with a 16-inch True Tone screen. It has 2.6 gigahertz 6-core Intel Core i7. Now this is the base model that I have right here. Has 16 gigs of memory. Has 512 gigs on the SSD on board. You got the Intel UHD graphics 630, 4 Thunderbolt 3, or that is the USB Type-C connectors. You have a headphone jack, stereo speakers, the touch bar, the physical touch ID button now, and you have a full-size backlit Magic keyboard. That's what Apple's choosing to call it right now. You got your installed FaceTime HD camera. You got pre-installed apps from Mac. So that's everything that you are going to have in this package. So first off, let's talk about this so-called Magic keyboard, because I've been rocking the 13.3 inch from 2018 and it's been serving me well, and the keys are flat. Those are the butterfly keys, which everybody has a problem with. I never had an issue with those keys or that keyboard, but I have to say, typing on this keyboard has been a breeze. The keys give you a nice punch back. You know that you press the key when you hit it. Everything works. Everything is awesome with this keyboard. Now, I know that you're going to say it's just the old keyboard, but Apple has always had a flavor for making the old new. So they brought back the old, made everybody happy. They listened to the consumers. Bravo, Apple. Next, this physical escape key. Now, I never had an issue with the other one, other than sometimes you would miss it, which that was the only issue. So sometimes you would miss the mark when pressing that escape key, but now we have that physical escape key that's going to allow us to always hit the mark and know that we touched it, because it gives and it punches back when you let it go. And not to mention your touch ID over here. That's going to allow you to access your Apple iTunes stuff. It's going to allow you to unlock your device. Everything that you need to do right here, physical. And when you hold it down, it's going to actually turn your device off. So you still have your touch bar right up top. You just press that and you get all your items right across here. So you're still able to control your volume, your play and pause, your skip, your brightness on your screen. Everything that you need, you have it right here at the palm of your hand with the all-new MacBook Pro. So Apple didn't make any changes when it came to that feature or that functionality. Everything is still the same. Everything is working great. Everything is proper and in its proper place. Next, we're going to talk about the actual power. Now, power comes in at a lot this time, because we got that 100-watt battery on here. This one meets the FAA standard of the most that you can have on a plane. 100 watts, you get a brand new 100-watt charger. You got the charger, you got a brand new USB Type-C cable that's going to come with it as well. Now, this is still just straight up USB-C to C, but the 100-watt power charger is going to give it that super boost. It's going to allow you to charge that battery up that you have on board, and it's going to allow you to have that with no issues and give you plenty of power wherever you go. So when it comes to battery power, this one is going to give you that all-day longevity that you are looking for and that everyone is trying to achieve. Now, when it comes to speakers, this thing is really nice. It sounds really good. You got your speakers over here on each side of your keyboard. This is all you're going to do. Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Average Tech Guy here. And this is iPhone 10. We're looking at Samsung Chromebook Plus. We're going to be looking at the all-new Amazon Echo. So that sounds really good. It's stereo. It sounds good. I can't say anything other than it sounds good. Now, the average consumer is not going to say, does it have this? Does it have that? The average consumer just wants to know, does this thing sound good? And the answer is yes. It's going to sound great. It's going to play good music. So I'm using my videos because I haven't uploaded any of my personal things into here yet. I just got this. I don't have anything on board, so I'm just using my stuff to show you, but you can hear it for yourself. The sound is crisp. It's clear. It's nice. It sounds like you have like subwoofers or something in here. It sounds good. So speakers, a go. Big thumbs up. We like it. So last but not least, we're going to basically just talk about this price because I paid about $25, $26 for this device. Now, that is a lot for a computer. So the average consumer may not specifically want this one. It's a good one for people who are content creators, who are doing YouTube videos, who are bloggers, who are doing professional type things with editing movies, music, things on the go. That's who this is mainly tailored to, but the average consumer can still use this. Now, I'm going to say for the average consumer, they're not going to be worried so much about all those high-end specs. They just want to know, is the battery going to last? Which is a check. Do the speakers sound good? Which is a huge check. Is the screen nice? It's a beautiful screen. You can see it right here. What's the price like? The price is a little high, but overall, this is a dynamic device. It's gonna get you everything that you need. It's gonna allow you to edit those videos if you're into heavy using. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, whatever you gotta do, it's gonna allow you to do all that in clean fashion. You can even upload your videos in 4K, but it's a great device for basically anyone. So you guys let me know your thoughts below. Do you like this computer? Would you buy this computer? Tell me below what you think, and I try to get back to them. You guys know I come back and try to comment on all your comments, so just leave them down below. If you like this, yes. If you don't, okay, it's cool. But for the professional user, we're gonna say it's a go. It's gonna be fast. It's gonna be super durable. It's gonna allow you to have that nice storage space that you want, so you don't have to carry around all these SSDs and hard drives. It's gonna be a pretty good fit for almost anybody. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.